In today's video, we would be discussing the top 7 tips for last minute revision, how to study and revise one day before the exams. Friends, are you feeling the pressure of exams tomorrow? Do you feel like there's just not enough time to revise everything which you need to know? Well, don't worry. Try these top 7 study tips and tricks for last minute revision which can help you to study effectively in 24 hours. So friends, let us proceed ahead and enjoy this video. Friends, the first step is make a plan. Start by making a plan of what you need to revise and in how much time you have to do it. Break it down into manageable chunks of time and stick to it. Friends, the second tip is prioritize your subjects. Not all subjects are created equal, so prioritize the subjects that are the most important for your overall grade and focus on them first of all. Friends, the next step is use flashcards. Flashcards are a great way to memorize key facts and definitions quickly. They are also portable, so you can take them with you wherever you go. Friends, the fourth tip is use different methods of revision. Everyone learns differently, so try to use a variety of methods such as reading, writing, drawing, and listening to lectures. Friends, the fifth tip is teach someone else. Teaching someone else what you have learned is one of the best ways to solidify your own understanding of the study material. So, find a study buddy or a family member to explain the material to. Friends, the sixth tip is revise in a comfortable environment. Make sure that you have a comfortable, organized and a quiet place to study with good lighting and a comfortable chair. And friends, the seventh tip is get a good night's sleep. A good night's sleep is essential for performing well on exams. Make sure to get at least 8 hours of sleep on the night before the exam. And friends, always keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Always remain positive. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed the small video on the top 7 tips for last minute revision and how to study and revise one day before your exams. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will be uploading a new video soon. Friends, in order to watch all my latest videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button, and do click this bell icon to get notifications whenever I publish a new video.